you guys, look at my new backdrop. Hey, it's giving me like Pepto-Bismol Barbie. I'm gonna stop using the word Barbie this year. You guys, it's a new year. I was going between different colors and this is the color that I chose and I'm like super obsessed, so I hope you guys love it because this is gonna be your guys' home every Tuesday and Friday, 10 a.m. Pacific time. So today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community where millions come together to take the next step in their creative journey. With thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people on topics including illustration, design, photography, video, freelancing, and more. Me and my partner have taken many classes. We've learned so much to how to shrink videos down to make them good portions for you guys. Ain't nobody want a video that be like 5 hours long. So I'm gonna go ahead and link everything for Skillshare down below. Now remember, when you guys join Skillshare, you guys get 2 free months of premium membership. And then you guys, after that, it's less than $10 a month. That is so stunning. Go ahead and check out Skillshare now. Wow, you guys! I have a new color. I'm super excited. Me and my husband perfected so much in the studio, but you guys are probably wondering why I have pink lips. I'm completely stained from brunch today, so I literally took out this makeup because I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get home today and show you guys some cool new things. Hit that subscribe button right now because I do not miss the mark. Enough talking, new shit in here. Skin is completely cleansed. I use a Neutrogena wipe in the car. 2 products that I really love, the Porefessional. This box is legendary because this is the Porefessional Primer. It basically smooths out your face. I love this, and I actually, the first person that ever used this was my husband. Also, this definitely stood out to me as well. This is the Cabral Cream Gel Brow. This is basically a kit to really draw in the perfect brows. Opening up the Porefessional, you guys seen this many times. A little goes a long way, and I'm gonna take a brush. Today's brushes, you guys, majority of the brushes are given to me by GLO Skin Beauty, so shout out to GLO Skin Beauty. I love brushes like this because 1, you get 2 in 1, but the only thing I hate about them is that when you actually put them in a canister, it does ruin the brush. So this is something that you want to leave flat on the desk. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Porefessional. Let's go ahead and start just really priming that skin. Now with this, I do like to use my brush because it does kind of evenly spread, and the brush really just kind of blends it all into the skin, versus when you're doing it like this on your hands, you actually leave so much on your hand that you don't know. And bitch, I'm not trying to waste my product because I actually really love this. Primer is on. Now let's go ahead and jump into Cabral. It's a brush on rich wearable color. This cream gel easily fills, sculpts, and defines brows. I'm just gonna go ahead and go right on. Taking it out. It looks like a little genie lamp. Oh wow. Oh, there's the brush. So it is an angle brush. Okay, so this is the cap, and then to take the brush, it becomes in 3. So, setting that down. So the color is almost a color that I've used before. Now, I don't know if it's supposed to be super drying or what the deal is, but from just looking at it, it's a little drying, but that's okay because pomades, I actually use it dry and it works just fine. Okay, so that's a color that I've seen before. Now the color is a little ashy than what I would use. I mean, it's a pomade. Honestly, like Anastasia is known for pomades. I have pomades from Kat Von D. I have pomades from MAC Cosmetics. I got pomades from Morphe. I feel like they're all kind of just pomades to me. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and bullshit with you and tell you like what pomade's the best. I've used pomades where they dry out and I literally heat them up and they're back to normal. I think what's important about a pomade is 1, how much it costs, because honey, you should not be spending no $50 for a pomade. That's definitely crazy. I'm gonna tell you that right now, like I don't even enjoy using this brush. This brush is too small, but you guys gotta remember, I'm drawing on a brow. I'm not taking it and flicking it and actually mimicking hair. So it is taking a little longer. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get the foundation on. GLO Skin Beauty sent me tons and tons of pan sticks. We love pan sticks. It's just our thing. Now these are the 3 colors out of like literally 20 of them that they sent me that I chose that I feel it was comfortable for my skin tone. This one's called Sand 4W. Now let's go ahead and see how much product is in one. I always like to do this because you never know. Obviously it's not the entire thing. I feel like that's a lot of product in a pan stick. So these are the 3 shades that I'm gonna be using. Obviously this one is my color. This is gonna be like a contour color and this is gonna be a highlight color, and I want to be really highlighted today. So this is the 104 Dual Fiber Face. So this is what I'm gonna use for my foundation today. I'm gonna just go like this. I feel like this color is the closest. What I usually like to do with the brush is I like to wet it a little bit. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Gerard Cosmetic. This is the Rich Luxe Slay All Day, and I just kind of like wake it up a little bit. Just my own little thing. So let's get this brush just like that. This brush is a little hard to do this with, but it's working. Right now I'm just kind of breaking up where I swatched. Now what I do is I take my beauty blender and I just go back and I just really make sure it is super, super pressed in. I like the coverage. The coverage is good. It doesn't feel so thick as what I'm used to, which I'm okay with that. Sometimes people feel like the thicker the foundation, the better. It's actually no. And I've had to learn the hard way. And I usually like to kind of press it into my skin here. Now let's go and take this highlight color. So I chose the color Sand 4W. So I'm gonna take this and just really highlight me out, just like that. And I'm gonna take a beauty blender and I'm just gonna really, really glow me and press that all around. I take that highlight and I love to kind of like go back on my eyelid. Not bad, not bad at all. Oh my God, glow skin. I'm like really, really obsessed. Now, the only thing I'm noticing about the foundation is that when you put it on, it really kind of sits really fast. Oh wow, look at that, perfect. How is the skin? Now it's the part that I love to do the most, creating that nose. I love contouring my nose. It's just the nose that I want forever. So I usually take a brush like so. This is Anastasia 813 and I just draw it down. Look at that side. Oh, I actually really love this contour color. Look at that nose. This is my contour color. Oh my God, it's staying out. Okay, can't. Oh shit, I forgot to go back and blend. I take a beauty blender and I just pack it like that. And what this does, it just really allows it to make sure you blend it out. This is where you start to carve out the nose. So taking it, that's kind of like the trick. Anybody can do this. See how sharp that side is? Look at that. It's so like sharp, which y'all know, I love me a pointed nose. So now taking a beauty blender and just do one last blend. Oh wow, the foundation is so nice. Like I'm so obsessed with it. And let's go ahead and set that makeup. I feel like this foundation sets itself. Okay, now we're gonna take a clean brush and just dust everything away. This is where I like to use the Banana Rich from Morphe, and I just like to kind of make sure I am super pressed. This has changed my life. Let's do these eyebrows actually, because you guys are probably like, what the fuck is going on with your brows? So taking a pencil, let's go ahead and draw some brow hairs. I usually go in a stroke and I just really start to go with the brow. And you guys know I love a very, very strong drag brow. Brows are on. So we're gonna go ahead and get to bronzing and highlighting and all that good stuff. Glow Skin Beauty sent me a very heavy, like feel how heavy it is. Literally, so heavy. Powders. I don't know if you can get it single or you can get it in a set, but when I tell you this is every makeup artist's dream, this is awesome. I will be definitely using all of these colors, but this is amazing. And what's so amazing by Glow Skin Beauty is that they actually tell you what each color does, which I think it's amazing. I'm gonna set this down because it's really like heavy. I'm gonna go by what they say on the magazine. It's called the Press Based Magazine, where it goes panel 1, panel 2, panel 3. I'm gonna go ahead and start off using a MAC 150. I feel like I'm super panel 3. This color is called Tawny Light. So just taking it, let's just start to kind of bronze it out. Oh wow. This powder is super buildable. And I'm just taking it and I'm just really contouring it out. Now you guys know I love a good strong contour. So what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna go into Chestnut Medium. And what I usually do, because I layer so much, I always start at my cheeks first. It's not gonna be wrong if your cheeks are a little darker because you're gonna contour it anyways. And then if I like the color or if I can't see the color, I kind of just take it all around and then I kind of move on to the next. So far I like it. And then I'm gonna dip my brush into the Tawny Medium. It's very, very like buildable and it's super light, which I like because sometimes when you're contouring, you don't really want to see it right away. You kind of want to like build and build and build till you get like that perfect shade. It's almost like when you're blowing out like a crease, you kind of want to build it. Can you guys tell? Look at that. So there's this color called Cocoa Brown. I'm gonna dip it lightly and then let's see. Okay, so that's a little dark, but I'm just gonna buff it out. Maybe not dipping so much. That one's a little dark. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna really buff it out. Okay, so note to self, do not dip your brush into cocoa. I'm just taking in my brush and just really buffing it out. Whoa, that was close. I almost fucked up. So I'm gonna take this color here. This is like color Tawny Medium. And I'm just going ahead and contour my nose. I really like browns that have a red undertone because on my skin it looks really good. Anything ashy, I'm like super scared. Oh, no thank you. Now, let's go ahead and highlight. And because I have like the banana rich on, I just leave it the way it is and then I go back with a really, really light color. So this color, I'm gonna go to panel 1 in golden medium color. Just take it and just kind of dust it on. You wipe off like that banana rich color. That fucking cocoa medium fucked me over. I know how to fix this. I just took some MAC. Give me sun. See, people are like, oh my god, you're lucky you have big cheekbones. Well, sometimes you're not. You go through things like this. Okay, I feel like that looks better. God, give me sun. The world's best bronzer. We're gonna go ahead and carve out that cheek. You guys are probably gonna be like, oh my bitch, that cheek looks dirty. It is a little ashy right here. I'm not gonna lie. It is a little ashy, like right here. It's weird. And now we're gonna go ahead and jump into eyeshadows. So today's look, I'm gonna do something cool and subtle and brown. Go ahead and get out a super like flat brush. So now taking that highlight powder, let's just go ahead and just really highlight under that brow. Like, what is this? So I'm taking that and just really blowing that out. So now we got more stuff from Glow Skin Beauty. So this is Glow Skin Beauty all day. This is the Eye and Brow magazine. Super heavy. Tons of eyeshadow colors in here, you guys. So just kind of flipping it out. Look at this. This is a makeup artist's dream. So cool. So I'm gonna set this down here and today we're gonna focus on some of these colors because some of these colors look absolutely stunning. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into Glow Skin Beauty. They have everything. Like they literally hooked it up. They have these really, really cool eye pencils. They're cream stay shadow sticks. So they come in so many colors. I'm gonna go ahead and use like this nice pretty brown. And then we're gonna do some brown shadows on top because I feel like for the look today, it's gonna look really nice with a brown lid. Taking the creamy slay shadow stick, we're gonna go ahead and just kind of line up the eyes and prime it. Wow, that is so pretty. Oh my god, I love these already. Oh, I love it already. I'm not really into this area, but just go like this. Oh shit, I gotta blend it out. Taking a brush, and I just take it and I just blend it out like that. Oh my god, I love these. And they blend so easy. They don't even like move so fast. So it does give you time to like really go back and forth and drag it out. Oh my god, I love these. So I'm gonna take this into the crease. Let's see what it does when I like really test it for blending. Not bad. Look at that. After you blend it out, that's the crease. And you guys saw that I didn't dip my brush in anything. So this is the color that it is. It is a little lighter than the color itself, but that's okay because I'm blending it out. That's super dope. Now I'm gonna go in here, this color. I'm gonna go ahead and start really filling it in with some of their shadows. Wow, that's pretty. Ooh, I love it. Okay. I love to connect my shadows all the way around. Okay, so I'm gonna dip in this black color and just really lightly just give it a nice little crease like that. But I think we need some color in here. What do you guys think? A little too brown for me now. There's a black one in the cream stick and just line the bottom of my eyes. I think we're feeling a lime green moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some Jeffree Star liquid lip. This color is in No Offense. And I'm just gonna put it on my lid. Ooh, but it's pretty. I just covered up the shadow that I did. Wow. Jeffree Star, bitch. Y'all can use that shit for anything. Now taking a brush. Now let's go ahead and copy that same wing that we did. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm so happy I did that. So dope. So what I need to do now is I want to make sure it's super, super green. So I'm going to pull out this color. It's called Nature. It's one of my favorites. And let's go ahead and just pack it on to make sure it's super green. Alright, so I'm packing that on, you guys. It's a very serious moment. Wow, that's so pretty. Take a blank brush. Let's just kind of dust everything on. Once that is on, we're gonna go ahead and just do a very, very light liner. And I want you guys to do just a very small little wing. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm feeling some little shine right here. I really want to do like a lime green like shimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Jeffree Star. This is Sour Ice. And I really want this part to pop like fucking like amazing. Taking a little brush and just really popping it like right there. Oh my god, look at that. That's so stunning. Wow. Eyes are pretty much good. Before we do lashes, let's go ahead and highlight this face out. So, bitch, we have another magazine from Glow Skin Beauty. This is the Blush Contour. Bitch, I just contour with the face powders. Honestly, I'm not mad at it. I'm kind of like okay with it. Okay, so here's some contour shades. So let's just kind of see what color I was supposed to contour with. Okay, so panel 2, there's the contours. Wow. I should have went through all of this before I started to contour with all the face powders. That was my fault. That's pretty. What the fuck? I just literally contoured my face with those face powders. Oh, look how warm that is, huh? Let me know if you guys like it. I'm digging my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some of the shimmers here. This shimmer here is called Contour Light Shimmer. They have a banana powder? Wait. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, that's pretty. Wow. Oh, fuck. That's actually kind of really intense. Tone it down. Now, I'm gonna take a small little brush here and I'm just gonna, I know I like to do this little like, just a little pinch. And then let's do some blush. I'm so far obsessed with Sandalwood. It's kind of like that pink brown kind of moment. You might not see it so much because of my dark contour that I contour with face powders. Oh, that was my fault. I'm kind of mad I didn't contour with this. I should have contoured with this. Note to self, next time. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. You guys probably recognize this bottle, the Jeffree Star and Morphe collab. Oh, wow! When it's like set, it just looks like butter. This is Glitter Realm X Makeup by Paul and Jen. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the lash glue that it comes with, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick a lash. Oh, they gave you some tweezers! I was like, who throwing shit? I was like, what the fuck is going on? The names are Class Act, August 25th, and That Bitch. I feel like I want to be August 25th. Let's go ahead and place these lashes on, baby. Oh my god. Okay, so this glue is not really my favorite. I think you're supposed to wait until they dry a little bit. But these lashes are beautiful. This lash glue is not my favorite. Lashes are on, so as they dry, I'm obsessed with them already. Look at that. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do lips. I wanna put on my new hair first, and then seeing what lip colors I think will go great with it. So I will be right back. Boom! Just kidding. My new hair. You guys like it? I cut it myself. I think the last time I wore this hair was for Aquaria when I hated that fucking NYX palette. Oof. It is lip time. So just looking at the lashes are on. Obsessed, obsessed. I love like this pop of green. I love like this little Jeffree Star moment. I love these lashes. Now these lashes are by Glitter Realm.
Glitter Realm.
Glitter Realm. Glitter Realm. Beep.
No.
Glitter
Realm.
Realm. Glitter Realm.
Realm.
Yeah, I really do love these lashes, so I want to make sure I say the name right. Glitter Realm.
Realm.
Glitter Realm. Realm. Baby, this is called Glitter Realm. Thank you so much for sending me this. The time has come, darling, for me to pick a liquid lipstick. I pick out some colors here from Jeffree Star. I'm gonna do Purple Urkel. I haven't worn this color yet, and I'm excited. We're gonna do this one. So, actually, should I put some shimmer on? Like a little purple moment? Or blue? Oh! Y'all know I love me some extreme frost. Look at that, so much makeup. So let's go ahead and do Purple Urkel. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty hot. Wow, I'm obsessed. OMG, OMG, OMG! All right, you guys, voila, we finished the look. Just like looking at the foundation. I think the foundation is good. I like it. It's a little, not full coverage. I can kind of see like my beard going on here if I really want to get into the details. But overall, like, I feel like this is the foundation I would definitely wear. Let's just kind of take it back. Love the Benefit Pore Filler. The brow, I can kind of live without. A big shout out to Glow Skin Beauty for literally, I mean literally giving me everything. You guys are phenomenal. I love your product, but I'm really obsessed with these cream stick eyeshadows. They work really good as bases. You guys saw how fast I made my crease. Also, shout out to Glitter Realm.
Yeah.
We got it. Glitter Realm times makeup by Paul and Jen. Thank you so much for these lashes. I'm gonna keep these on. I had so much fun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I want to see y'all again. I have another video coming out in a few days. And remember, you guys, the link to Skillshare is right down below this video. So go ahead and check them out. Let me know what you guys think about the backdrop. I feel like my makeup pops more. So